In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an interactive newsletter in Lucidpress, now known as Mark. This process is an engaging way to effectively connect with your audience and deliver content that stands out. To start, open your preferred web browser and type Lucidpress or Mark into the search bar. Once you find the website, log into your account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It's a straightforward process that will have you ready to go in no time. With your account set up and logged in, head over to the Templates section. Here, you can search specifically for newsletter templates. This is an excellent starting point because it provides you with a pre-designed layout that can be easily customized to suit your particular needs. Browse through the available options and select a base template you'd like to work with. Keep in mind that you're not bound by the original design. You have the flexibility to modify it as much as you wish. Now that you have your base template, let's begin adding interactive elements. In the editor, look for the button icon in the left side content pane. Click on it. You'll see a variety of button styles. Choose one that fits your design by dragging and dropping it onto the document. Once you have a button placed, click on it and look to the right side context pane for the link option. This is where you can make the button interactive. You have the option to choose from different link types. You can paste an URL for an external website link, use a mail-to link to draft an email, or link to another page within your newsletter. But don't stop there. Any object on your canvas, whether it's an image, text box, or shape, can also become a clickable link. Select the object you want to link, then click the link icon found in the right side context pane. Just like with the button, you'll select a link destination and enter the necessary information. If you really want to captivate your audience, consider embedding video content directly into your newsletter. Start by locating the video on YouTube or Vimeo and copying the URL or embed code. Then head back to the Mark editor and find the Embed or Insert Video option. The location of this option can vary, so make sure to explore the interface. Once found, paste the video URL or embed code into the designated area and adjust the video frame to fit your layout. Simple resizing and repositioning can enhance your newsletter's overall aesthetics. Once you're satisfied with your interactive newsletter, it's time to publish it. Click the Publish button located in the top navigation bar. Choose your preferred digital publishing option, whether you want to publish directly to the web or share via a link. Mark will generate a shareable link that lets users view the content and interact with buttons and videos seamlessly. And there you have it, your interactive newsletter, ready to impress your readers.